This cream is not for my skin. Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Of course. What's the problem?
I bought this face cream here 2 days ago.
Okay, I remember. It's a popular cream.
Maybe, but my skin doesn't like it.
What happened?
My face is red and it feels itchy.
Oh, that sounds uncomfortable.
Yes, and I'm a little frustrated. This cream was expensive.
I completely understand. Let's find out what happened.
Thank you.
When did you start using it?
Yesterday morning.
Did you use a lot of cream or just a little?
Just a small amount, like always.
Do you know your skin type?
I think it's sensitive skin.
Wait, actually, let me check your receipt again.
Is something wrong?
I think you bought the Day Glow cream, not the Night Repair cream.
Oh, really? They look very similar.
Yes, many customers get confused. The boxes are almost the same color.
I didn't notice the name.
That's okay, it happens often.
So, which cream caused the redness?
The Day Glow cream. It has a strong exfoliating ingredient.
Exfoliating? What does that mean?
It removes dead skin cells, but it can be too strong for sensitive skin.
Ah, now I understand.
Don't worry, we can still help you.
That's a relief.
Can I see your skin, please?
Sure. Look here, on my cheek.
Yes, I see some redness. It's not serious, but you should stop using it.
Okay, I already stopped.
Good. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, here it is.
Perfect. And how much of the cream did you use?
Just a little bit, maybe 2 times.
Okay, that's fine. We can help you.
What are my options?
You can get a refund or you can exchange it for a different cream.
What cream is better for sensitive skin?
We have a gentle cream without strong ingredients.
Is it more expensive?
It's a little more. This one is $18 and the sensitive cream is $22.
That's not too bad.
We also have a smaller size for $12.
Can I try a small size first?
Yes, that's a good idea, especially for sensitive skin.
What's in this new cream?
It has aloe vera and no fragrance.
No fragrance? That sounds good.
Yes, fragrance can cause irritation for sensitive skin.
I didn't know that.
Many people don't. It's a common problem.
Okay, I want to try the small size, please.
Sure. Do you want a refund for the old cream or an exchange?
Can I exchange it?
Yes, of course.
How much do I need to pay extra?
Let me check. The old cream was $18. The new small size is $12. So we can refund you $6.
Oh, that's great.
Would you like cash or store credit?
Store credit is fine.
Okay, I'll process that now.
Thank you.
Wait 1 moment. I need to check something.
What's wrong?
The old cream box is a little damaged. Is that okay for you?
Yes, that's fine. I didn't do that.
No problem. I just wanted to check.
Can I use the new cream today?
I recommend a patch test first.
What's a patch test?
Put a small amount on your arm and wait 24 hours.
Oh, I never did that before.
It's important for sensitive skin.
Okay, I will try that tonight.
Good idea. If there's no redness, you can use it on your face.
And if there is redness?
Then please come back and we'll find another option.
Okay, I understand.
Do you want a sample of another cream too?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Here's a small sample. It's for very sensitive skin.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else you need?
Actually, yes. Do you have a sunscreen for sensitive skin?
Yes, we have a few options.
What's the difference between them?
Some are for the face only. Some are for face and body.
I need one for my face.
This one is light and has no fragrance too.
How much is it?
It's $15.
Can I use my store credit for it?
Yes, you can.
Great, I'll take it.
Okay, let me add it to your order.
Do I need to pay anything extra?
Let's see. Your credit was $6 and the sunscreen is $15. So you need to pay $9 more.
That's okay. Can I pay by card?
Yes, card or cash, both are fine.
I'll pay by card, please.
Sure, one moment.
Take your time.
Here's the card machine.
Okay, done.
Perfect. Here's your receipt.
Thank you.
And here's your new cream, the sample and the sunscreen.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. One more thing.
Yes?
If your skin is still red tomorrow, please see a doctor.
Okay, I will.
It's usually not serious, but it's better to be careful.
I understand. Thank you for the advice.
No problem. Also, drink some water and avoid the sun today.
Okay, I will do that too. Actually, can I ask one more question?
Sure, go ahead.
Is this new cream good for morning and night?
Yes, you can use it twice a day.
How much should I use each time?
Just a small amount, like a pea size.
Okay, that's easy to remember.
Yes, and always wash your hands before you use it.
Good tip, thank you.
You're welcome.
By the way, is the store open on Sunday?
Yes, from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Perfect. I might come back next week.
We'll be happy to see you again.
I feel much better now that I understand what happened.
That makes me happy to hear.
Thank you, Jack. You were very helpful.
You're welcome, Malay. Take care of your skin.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.